Ever notice your Ecovacs Deebot T20 Pro isn't quite moisturizing your floors like it used to? No water releasing when it's supposed to be mopping? Seems minor, right? The lack of water is usually a sign of a few culprits lurking inside. Often it's water damage messing with the internal PCB, stopping water from flowing. And sometimes a faulty side brush module causes uneven cleaning. We see it all too often. Customers ignore the early symptoms of a water issue on their Ecovacs Deebot T20 Pro. They think, oh, it's just a little leak, or maybe it'll fix itself. Big mistake. This problem often stems from water damage, leading to a faulty PCB and even a malfunctioning side brush module. A malfunctioning Deebot isn't just annoying, it's a home hazard waiting to happen. Don't let a little drip turn into a total disaster. So, after seeing what's causing your Ecovacs Deebot T20 Pro's water woes, the next question is, how do you get it fixed without the headache? RoboCare's got you covered with options designed for your convenience. At RoboCare, we specialize in Ecovacs Deebot T20 Pro repairs. We diagnose the root cause, fix the water damage, and get your robot back to its cleaning glory. We don't just guess, we use advanced diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact location of the water damage. This allows us to identify the faulty components, whether it's the PCB or the side brush module, with precision. Once we've identified the problem, we carefully repair or replace the damaged components with genuine parts. We meticulously test the entire system to ensure proper water flow and optimal cleaning performance. But talk is cheap. Now let's move on to the results. Look at that.
Wow.
After a RoboCare repair, your Deebot T20 Pro is back to its floor cleaning glory. Notice the even water distribution and the sparkling clean result. After we returned the robot vacuum to the customer, they said it worked like new again, so they were delighted. Ready to say goodbye to mopping mishaps? Contact RoboCare today for a hassle-free repair experience.